when to move from Sage 300 to a cloud-based system like Sage Intacct. Hi everyone, Rob Greeno with Asyma Solutions. I am a managing partner here at Asyma Solutions. I'm also an account manager, which means I get to work with a number of different organizations and businesses on a daily basis. We have successfully done over 60 implementations for businesses and customers that have wanted to move from legacy systems to the cloud. What we really try and do is understand, okay, where are you? Where do you want to get to? We understand kind of when the time is right based off of functional requirements, organizational size, business size, number of entities. There's a number of things that come into play here. And what I wanted to do is really help organizations and businesses understand what those indicators might look like. When is it a time for a business or an organization to make that move? Let's look at nonprofits and First Nations specifically. Sage Intacct was developed specifically for nonprofits, which means it works very, very well for First Nation organizations as well. Because on the First Nation side of things, a lot of times we're dealing with nonprofit entities, which is the lands, the administration, the education, the health departments. And then there's also for-profit entities such as golf courses, casinos, gas stations, stuff like that. So they're a little bit unique in it's not just nonprofit or for-profit. They have a number of these different entities that they're dealing with. And we've become really, really good at setting up and delivering systems, not only on the Sage 300 side, but the Sage Intacct side as well. With digital transformation and Sage Intacct specifically, we open up a whole new world of features and functionality for your business or organization. If you're dealing with multiple entities where you need to consolidate, if you're dealing with multiple currencies, if you struggle with being able to provide accurate and real-time information for business or organizational decisions, if you need to attach documents, if you need to not worry about upgrade fees and being billed every time you need something, then these types of solutions are really going to take a lot of that load off of you relying on somebody else and being able to take that into your business or organization and empower your team to do everything that you require in your business or organization. We can now provide these reports to you with user-based dashboards, chief and council dashboards, board of director dashboards that we can build into the system to give these leaders at these organizations access to information so that they can make informed decisions. If I were to compare the core Sage 300 to Sage Intacct, in Sage Intacct, you get general ledger, you get intercompany transactions, you get basic budgeting, the core general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, in accounts payable and accounts receivable, you get workflows and levels of approvals. A lot of these are add-ons in Sage 300. You also get purchase orders with workflows and levels of approval. That's an add-on for Sage 300. You get document management built in where you can link a document anywhere throughout the system. So there's a number of key differences between Sage 300 and Sage Intacct, and part of our responsibility to our customers is to keep our customers educated on the technology, the digital transformation, what's available, when is the right time to make a move. So if any of this is resonating with you and you want to have a discussion about cloud, about digital transformation and what that looks like for your business or organization, please reach out. We'd be happy to have that conversation and at the very least, educate you on what your options are.